What is up, Ragnarok fam? Today in this video, we'll try to understand more about the stun resistance. What is it about and what's its effect in the game? Because there are questions about this one. Number one, does it lessen the chance of you getting stunned? Or does it lessen the duration of the stun effect? So in this video, let's try to find out. Alright, so first thing we gotta try is without any cards. So I have here my friend with me, his name is Lam. Let's ask him to try to stun us without any cards. Let's see. Alright Lam, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. So, without any cards, as we've seen, we've got 3 seconds. We've been stunned for 3 seconds. Now, let's try to pull in one card and embed it in our equipments. Alright. So, we've got one card and now let's try. Okay, Lam, go ahead. 1, 2. So, as you can see, adding one OBEAUNE card with 30% stun resistance lowers the duration of the stun effect. Now, let's try to have 2. Embed. Confirm. Let's go. Try it again, bro. 1. Now, having 2 OBEAUNE cards makes the stun effect from 2 seconds makes it 1 second. So, let's try one more. Let's try the third one. Alright, bro. Go ahead. Boom. So, having 3 OBEAUNE cards give you a total of 90%. But as you can see here, I'm also wearing the blinders. I think this is called blinders. Dark blinder, which also has 10% stun rest. So, having 3 OBEAUNE cards in my gear neglects the stun effect in the game. So I hope that answered your question. It doesn't lower down the chance of getting stunned, but it definitely lowers down the cooldown. And if you have 100%, it totally neglects all the stun. So I hope this video helped you out understand what the effect of this card is. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we've shared some insights. And by the way, my name is PJT. We are streaming on Facebook every day, every weekday from 4 p.m. onwards. So for more Ragnarok content, be sure to like and follow the page. And see you again next time. Peace out. In 3, 2, 1, +4.